Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get rid of the AI mode in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to and go to Settings. If you have AI enabled, you will see an option called AI Innovation somewhere around here. Just click on it and toggle the option to off. Now the next way is to open a new tab and go to option called Search Lab on the top right. Just click on it and scroll down and click on AI. In search, just click on it and toggle it to off. And that's it. We removed AI mode in Chrome by turning off AI related features. And our Chrome has returned to a simpler and traditional browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.